I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the low to mid-90s, the approach of low pressure leads to a few thunderstorms in the Panhandle tonight and western locations of Nebraska and Kansas tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow, not as warm in the west and central with highs in the mid-80s to around 90. Low to mid-90s are likely, though, in the east. As a cold front slowly moves to the east, chances of widespread thunderstorms increase tomorrow night through Sunday. Severe weather not expected tomorrow, but central and eastern areas on Sunday are highlighted for a marginal risk, a level 1 of 5. Thunderstorms taper off Sunday night. Highs bottom out in the mid-70s to the low 80s Sunday before the 80s return for Monday and Tuesday. More thunderstorms expected Tuesday through Thursday with another wave of low pressure, especially Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Highs on Wednesday and Thursday, more seasonal in the mid to upper 70s. Despite that slight cool down, the long-term forecast maintains the prediction of overall warmer than normal temperatures Wednesday through September 25th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the entire U.S. By September 25th, central Nebraska highs are typically in the mid-70s and average overnight lows are in the upper 40s. Above normal rainfall continues in Nebraska and Kansas Wednesday through September 25th, the highest rain chances during the middle of next week through the following weekend. Key weather factors influencing the markets include mostly favorable harvest weather for the U.S., rain across Argentina, Europe, and Australia, and decreasing rain chances in central Brazil. The next several days, meaningful rainfall of 1 to 3 inches or more is limited to a band from the southern Rockies to the northern plains. Mostly light rain occurs in the Northwest, the Great Lakes, and around the Carolinas. Dry weather accompanies summer-like temperatures the next 5 days from the Gulf Coast northward into the Ohio and mid-Mississippi valleys. The middle of next week, scattered rain is possible with a cold front across the nation's midsection. More rain moves across the plains next weekend before tracking eastward. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue regardless of the rain chances, which is helpful to the start of harvest. Across Europe, waves of rain the last several weeks continue into next week, benefiting immature summer crops and winter wheat planting. In Argentina, scattered rain is keeping soil conditions favorable for planting, but it could be delayed with colder temperatures in the long-term forecast. Central Brazil is now expecting lighter rain for next week, but any rainfall is helpful until wet season rains become more consistent next month. Eastern Australia saw significant rain this last week that helped wheat and canola move into the reproductive stage. Rain moves into Western Australia this weekend. Only lighter rain is expected for southeastern areas early next week as eastern Australia continues to need more rain. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.